Alrighty, guys. DJT. Is it finally time to buy into it? I mean, what? Look at this. This is insane. This thing has been just on a nasty downtrend. We were just $46 in July, and then just a couple months later, and we're all the way down to $13 here. So, I mean, there's a lot of things that are happening. You got the elections happening, Trump versus Kamala here. Do you think this thing will pick up here? But I also do want to look at the chart because, I mean, you could have made that analysis. I mean, this is why technical analysis is so important is you want to make sure, that the catalyst with the chart combined will make you the most money. So one thing I will show you guys is we did recently hit the EMA 20, which is like, it kind of sucks because I love to have algos finish and touch the EMA 20. We touched this EMA 20 right here back in 913. So that kind of sucks because as you can see, all price action, every price action, no matter what kind of stock or whatever you trade, the EMA 20 will get filled. And there's different time frames that are really long. Anything that don't touch in 2 months is long. Well, we went from 722 all the way to 913. We got close to 2 months, and that's when price started going in. So what I'm looking at is this trend channel here. It's very clearly respected, and you can make pretty decent returns as every time this price gets to here, we get a nice little pump. So I'm looking at this little trend channel here, and the more oversold we get, as you can see, the more bigger bounces we're getting now. So right in here, this made pretty decent returns. That was an 18%. Right in here from this high to this was a 36%. So, and yeah, we lost it all because how convenient. We hit the 20 and what happens is we go down. Well, look at what happened here. We hit the 20. What happens is we go down from here. So, and it happens all the time. Right here, we hit the 20, goes down. I would love to see this kind of pattern right here. This is a beautiful setup here. If I ever get this, as you can see, when we don't touch the EMA 5 and a couple daily candles, it's long. And this was 4 daily candles not hitting it with an ATR 4, which you won't see much on the bigger price stocks here. And look at this beautiful run up we had. It was absolutely awesome. And I hope everyone took the profit on this one, as this made a 62% move up. That is insane, right? Literally in a couple days. And it was fast, it was vigilant, it was awesome, right? And then we started to have this big down move. And then we go all the way back up and we made another massive move. I wouldn't have traded this one, to be honest, as this doesn't fit my system, but this was another 60%. So when we're looking at this, if price is at this lower band, we can assume that, this is a very good buy signal. We will never buy it at this upper band. That's completely red flags. We want to make sure there's some time distance away from this EMA 20. But more importantly, here's what we're getting so far. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 daily candles not touching the EMA 5s, which is good because we know for a very conservative target, we have a target of 12% gain from this candle here. I would love for it to get a little closer down, maybe down in here to this bottom trend channel. As you can see, just if it gets a little close, you can get a nice pump. Sometimes it'll get super close and pump, but as you can tell, right in here got a little close. I would like to see it just, maybe just a little closer right down in this region. Obviously, this is going to scale down as price goes down, so I can't name an exact price that I would see. Obviously, if you're in my Discord, you have my setup, you know how to draw these things. You know what to look for. The K right now is 9.37. The last time it pumped, we were at the 5 range here, 5 and 6. That's where we had a nice little pump here. So lower the K value, the better. That's the stochastic oscillator down here. I'm definitely looking to this one because with the elections coming up, I think this thing can get some volatility just based on that alone. And like I said, your targets are always going to be their 5, 10, and 20. If this hits the 20, you need to get out, have a stop loss right under the 20. So what will happen is I would sell a lot of my position here, and then I would put a stop loss for the remainder here, down here. And what happens is we went up here, and that's fine. We go tumbling down, you hit your stop, and that's totally fine because what happens is prices kind of come back into this channel. Until this channel is broken, we will not have an uptrend. What we have to break out of this channel to have that uptrend, and this channel will eventually break. Though this thing has been going on since back in July, so it's been around 2 months we've been doing this long downtrend channel. But there's money to be made. Buy the bottom of the channel, sell the rips, and when it gets closer to this ATR 4 band, that's the most highest price you can get. But for now, we want to target the EMA 5. The EMA 5 is your first target now, and then your 10 and the 20. I realistically would do the 5. If this goes down probably 1 or 2 more days, I would definitely get into it. But I definitely just need to see where price is landing. If you guys want to join a premium Discord with how to act, how to trade with confidence and how to understand how to draw these trend channels, how to, set up your chart like mine, and how to have proper risk management, definitely join the Discord. I'll put the link down below in the YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. I will never or how to subscribe. If you have an Android, we are having issues with them, but you can still subscribe. You just got to do it on your computer or your phone's browser, which is actually better because you avoid the iOS fee. Avoid scammers. I'll never message you, DM you, friend request you, or trade your accounts. And then feel free to read all the testimonies of how a lot of people have made massive money doing this exact system, and it's so easy to do as long as you're patient. Hit the server shop in the top left, and you'll see on Day and Swing Trading Plus is $12 a month, and that gives you access to all my subscriptions. And I think it's one of the best in my opinion. You're gonna really learn how to trade. This is not a service where I do alert plays, but I'm not going to just, alert plays and you just blindly follow. Because a lot of services do that and they charge hundreds of dollars. And when you have no idea what you're doing, you're like, do I hold this? And you're just waiting and you're always asking, should I exit? What should I do? This service is to give you guys what exactly is going on in the chart. DJT, none of us would be buying DJT. None of us would be buying it at this EMA 20, where a lot of people go in when the stock goes up big. We would be looking at these as price targets on how to exit the area, and then we put a stop loss just under the EMA 20. We want to get in at the bottom trend channel when we find a really respectable channel, or at the best setups is the ATR4, this customized indicator, which I'll set up. I have a video to set this up. As you can see, when we hit this area, this is where the big explosive move up. We haven't hit the EMA 5 in 4 days. We're in here, so we had this nice conservative target up here of 25% area and a nice bullish long lower wick candle forming. So yeah, to give the Discord a try. I think you guys are gonna like it. It's I try to be very transparent. I record all my trades. I let you guys know what's going on. So if you do subscribe on your computer, it is best. If you do it on your phone, it'll charge you a little more than the $12 a month. But you're gonna get day trade alerts, day trading education. I really like day trade alerts. That's why I'm trying to tell you guys, give the Day and Swing Trading Plus a try, because I day trade every day, making 1 to 2 plays, making 10 to 20% gains every day, and we're on a 25, 28 win streak, and it really can get your accounts high. I mean, bigger the accounts, yeah, you make a lot more money. We had some people that made $5,000 last Friday. With like a 10K account, it's very doable. But yeah, I think you guys are gonna really like this system. A lot of people are hurting in the market. A lot of people are struggling. They can't understand. And I think this right here changed my life. It's been making me a full-time trader with an over 90% success rate. I think if I can do it, anybody can do it, as long as you watch the videos I put out, understand the system and understand the price targets, and just be patient. I will give you guys continual updates on this system, on things that I change, because I have changed this over the years. So when I see a new thing that I want to implement, because the market changes all the time, so we got to go with the market on how it trades. And I think this is a really nice. I have a very nice very nice swing setup. I want to show you guys if you do decide to join. But yeah, let's make some money. Day trading is my best strategy. It's my bread and butter. So I hope you guys do decide to join. If you guys like this video, give a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.